As Alpesh Patel, I am the Seal Africa CEO, and I am associated with Seal Africa Group almost 27 years. So I am proudly, I can say that I am a Simtank guy. We are here today to recognize the awards of and honor our awards to the winners, because we are running some kind of special nationwide scheme, which is the sell scheme, and who are the winner, they're supposed to get the rewards. And majority of a Simtank event, this is, and a Simtank dealers, they already given a lot of loyalty to us. So this is the time to give the the rewards to them.
How many dealers are we talking about here?
We have almost around 110 dealers, active dealers, but I think the winners are around 10, 11 dealers are winner on that.
How has the Simtank evolved over 35 years?
We were the pioneer in introducing the Simtank in Tanzania in 1992. So since then we are the number one, and we are ahead in terms of the technology innovation, quality innovations, and also the logistics fleet and everything. So as a result, we are increasing our loyalty with our customers, and customers, especially the technology what we are bringing is unbreakable tank. This is the first time in Tanzania, unbreakable tanks what we are getting right now. Okay, that means we understand that our Tanzania people, they are earning very hard way to get the money. So if we are giving the poor quality of tanks, then it is not good. Now this tank is literally, if you can throw empty tank from the first floor, then also it will not have any crack. That means today you install, your grandchildren are going to enjoy the tank.
What were some of the biggest challenges the company faced, and how do you overcome them?
The challenges is the space, because the tanks are always bulky in nature. So if we want to expand further, because we have the good demand from the customers, because the Simtank is a very well-known brand here, and the way we develop the brand, people, they love it and they want to associate more. They are ready to pay even a little bit more if they want to get the Simtank. So that's the positive things we are having. Challenges what we are saying that is like so many small the space at the dealer side, because they have to store the tanks, so we have to increase our fleet and all those kind of things.
Can you tell us a little bit about the demand trending? What is the trend demand?
Okay, I can tell you, we have sold more than till now 5 million pieces of water tanks in Tanzania. Yeah, that means we have served almost 13 billion liter of water through our Simtank only. Okay, so you can imagine what kind of demand is already growing up.
That's annually.
This is till now. We are almost 35 years. So today we are celebrating 35 years our foundation of Simtank in Tanzania, and also the celebration is like we invested a state-of-art the machineries, which is, we are proud to say, in 2013 we invested state-of-art machineries, which is no one in entire East Africa has invested. Okay, that's why I am saying about the unbreakable